Good morning, all of you. Here I am back, your Libya Miss. How are you all? Hope you all are well in your home. First of all, I'd like to thank you all for your good comments about my first online class. Next, I'd like to tell one more thing, that's about your author profile of Nisha Punjabi. You all are done it very well. So, let me read one of yours author profile about Nisha Punjabi. Nisha Punjabi is a freelance writer based in Lucknow, India. She completed her education, including her Masters in Business Administration. She was employed by the Lucknow Times, that was the daily magazine in the Times of India, as a freelancer. She blogs at shimmeringsunshine.blogspot.com. The Race is an award-winning story in a sports competition held by the Children's Book Trust, New Delhi, India in 2001. So, that's all about author profile. Do you remember the first unit and the first chapter? Very good. Which was the first unit? Aspire to win. And which was the first story, the first chapter in this unit? Very good, The Race. And the author of the story was Nisha Punjabi. So before entering to our rest part of our story, we just recall. Are you ready to recall our story that we done in the last class? Very good. So who is our main character? Tarun, and his full name was Tarun Kapoor. Who was he? He was a mediocre student. Mediocre means a middle class student. And what about his family? Yes, he is not good at his studies. He is not a dancer, singer, all those things. He didn't have such talents. And his parents, especially his father, considered him as the black sheep of the family. And he wanted to get rid of that. So, what happened? Yes, he met Mr. Ram Narayan in a ground, in a park, and they engaged in some conversation, and after that he is going to participate in the running race. So here comes the rest part of our story. Are you ready? Yes. So it was 14th November, bowing low for the blessings of his mother. So the situation is Ram Narayan met our character Tarun, and what he said, if you participate and win that race that held in the Nehru Stadium, I'll train you. So the day is came, which was 14th November. Bowing low for the blessings of his mother, Tarun pedaled away to the stadium. So Tarun need blessings from his mom. So he bowing his head low and got all the blessings from his mom. There was a huge crowd waiting to go inside. So in the stadium, there was a huge crowd. All the people are, yes, eager to get inside of the stadium. Tarun entered the office where a signboard read participants only, with his heart beating faster every second. So when he saw the board, what writes there? Yes, participants only. When he saw that, his heart became beat faster. Inside there were about 50 participants waiting for the race to begin. So 50 participants are there. They are waiting to start the race. Come to the next para. He felt someone patting him on the shoulders. Now Tarun felt someone pat him. Pat him means just to touch his shoulders. Hello Tarun. It was Ram Narayan. So who was he? That was Ram Narayan. All the best, he said affectionately. With an affection, Ram Narayan said to Tarun that what? All the best, because he is going to participate in the running race. Tarun smiled at him but did not say a word. That time when Ram Narayan gave him all the best, what he do? Yes, Tarun smiled at him to Ram Narayan and did not say a word. Fear had gripped him from head to foot. Why? He never give or utter a word because he totally afraid. Come to next para. All the participants lined up. Here almost the running race is going to start. So all the participants are in a queue lined up. Every face glittered with the hope of winning the race. We can see all of the participants' face. They are, yes, they keep a ray of hope in their face. Each one of them had his family and friends in the stands to cheer for him. So in the stadium, as an audience, all of their family, parents, friends, all are sitting in the stadium. To his amazement, Tarun caught sight of his mother in the stands. In the audience, in the session of audience, Tarun could identify his mother's face. To his amazement, Tarun caught sight of his mother in the stands. The fear in his eyes gave way to confidence. When Tarun saw his mother in the stadium, he got confidence. The whistle blew and all the participants started off with all their might. So here the whistle blew. That was the sign of the starting of the running race. When the whistle blew, all the participants started off. They are ready to run and they just keep all their strength. They were all determined to be the winner of the race, and all of the participants hope, I'll win this race and I will win this race. In the lead was the fastest of them all, Tarun. Who was in front? Yes, the race was leading. Who was in the front? Tarun. Seeing himself ahead of everybody, Tarun felt very proud of himself. Now he is in front, Tarun. So he became more proud. On the track, there was a shallow path. So on the path, on the way, the running ground, there was a shallow path. As he was running fast, Tarun did not notice that and he slipped. Fate. What happened? Yes, Tarun is in the lead. But what happened? He didn't see the shallow path and he fell down on the ground. So come to the next page all. Can you follow me? Yes, very good. So look at the other part. Breathing fast. He saw the other kids going past him. So he is in the ground now. He fell down and what happened? Other participants just passed him. He could not be a loser today. And so without wasting a second, he got up to run once more. So he didn't to be a loser today because he wanted to prove to his parents that he was not a black sheep. So without wasting a second, he got up to run once more. So he get up fast and what happened? Start running again. Being quick, Tarun overtook a few kids ahead of him. So again Tarun come first. But as fate had it, he slipped once again. But again fate, what happened? Again he slipped. What was happening to him? So what was happening to him? He could not bear it. He could not suffer it. He looked into the crowd and saw his mother. Once again he looked at the stadium in the audience stands and he saw his mother there. She was saying something to him. So she actually saying something to him, that was, get up son, get up and run. That was to give confidence, that is, get up son and start running. Move on to next para. Tarun got up once again. So from the second falling, he got up once again. He was among the last few. Now he was among the last few participants. But he did not give up. But this time also he did not give up. Once more he overtook some children. Once again he overtook some of the children participants. Since he was fretting a little too much, he fell a third time. Again fate comes there. What happened? Third time. This is the third time he fell down. Tears were rolling down his cheeks. So Tears comes from his eyes and that ran through his cheeks. How will he get into Ram Narayan's training some? So what he thought, how did he get the training of Ram Narayan? How will he prove to his parents that he was talented, and how he proved to parents that he was talented? He was the last kid on the track now. Now he was the last kid on the track. He turned his eyes towards the stands. Now once again he looked to the stands. Then he heard Ram Narayan screaming from somewhere, "Come on Tarun, run." Now he could identify the sound of Ram Narayan. He was saying something. What was it? "Come on Tarun, run." And so he got up a third time. This is the third time he got up from the ground. This 12-year-old determined boy, who was the last on the track, got up and ran with all the strength he had. So how many years he hold? Yes, a 12-year-old boy, that is Tarun. He once again got up from the ground and started running. Come to next page. The crowd was cheering for Pavan. So almost the race was completed. The crowd was cheering for Pavan, the boy who had won the race. So here the race was finished, and who won that race? Pavan. But to Tarun's surprise, there was a louder applause when he crossed the finishing line last. So the competition, who won that competition? Pavan. But all the crowd who support whom? Tarun. The audience cheered for his determination and his valor for never giving up. But Tarun got a good applause from the crowd. Why? Because he was so determined boy, and for his effort all the audience gave him great applause. He bowed his head with shame and said to Ram Narayan, "I am sorry sir, I lost." So he, after the competition, he couldn't win. So what happened? He bowed his head and said to Ram Narayan that what? "I am sorry sir, I lost." "No son, to me you have won the toughest race, the race of your life." So Ram Narayan consoled him by saying that, "No son, you are not a loser today." Why? Because for your effort you just won the toughest race, and that is the race of your life. You got up and started afresh each time you fell. Each time you fell, but you got up suddenly and started running again. You are a real life hero. What a compliment he said to Tarun, that what? You are a real life hero. Your training starts tomorrow. And one more thing he added. What was that? Yes, your training starts tomorrow. He is ready to train Tarun. Tarun could not believe his ears. So Tarun could not believe what he heard. Tears filled his eyes again. One more time, tears comes from his eyes. He smiled at his mother, who hugged him and said, "You are the best son in the world." After all this happened, his mom came and just hugged him and said, "What? You are the best son in the world." So what a compliment from a mom. So that's our story. What is the lesson you got from this text or story? Yes, very good. Never give up. So that's all about our story. Are you ready to discuss the questions, side questions? Yes, so let's discuss that. The first, page number 8, the first question: who do you like more, Tarun or his brother? Why? So what is the first question? Who do you like, Tarun or his brother? And give the reason also. Come to the next question. Why did Tarun think that he was the black sheep of the family? Tarun think that he was the black sheep of the family. So why? Write the answer. The third question is, what were the obstacles before Tarun in pursuing his dream? Give some suggestions to solve this. So there are some obstacles. He He couldn't achieve his dream. Some obstacles are there. Read the story and write the answer and give some suggestions too. The fourth question, it was a day he wanted to wipe out from his memory. Why? A day is there. He wanted to wipe out all the memory. So, what is it and write the reason. Come to the next page and see the fifth question. What made Ramnarayan say life is full of up and downs? So that is the words given by Ramnarayan. Life is full of ups and downs. So what made Ramnarayan to say this? The sixth question is, do you think Tarun's meeting with Ramnarayan would change his life? Explain. So it is individual. Write the answer individually. What is it? Do you think Tarun's meeting with Ramnarayan changed his life? And explain the answer. Come to the next. The seventh question. That is a conversation. You have to complete it. Now the eighth question, what made Ramnarayan say that it was his job to get Tarun entry in the race? So what made Ramnarayan to get Tarun entry into the race? The ninth question, how did Tarun prepare for the race? So he prepared. So how he prepared for the race? The 10th question, he also wanted someone to back him up, and so he told everything to his mother. Do you think this kind of sharing will help him face his problems better? Why? He shared all the things to his mother. So do you think sharing will help him? Yes, write the answer. The 11th question, why did Tarun really want to win the race? Why Tarun wished to win the race? Give out the reason. Then the 12th question, Tarun felt very proud. He felt very proud of himself. What made him proud? So when he became proud and what made him proud? Write the answer. Now come to the 13th question. If you were Tarun, would you finish the race or give it up? Why? One more time. If you were Tarun, would you finish the race or give it up? Why? Then the 14th question. Do you think the presence of his mother and Ramnarayan helped Tarun in finishing the race? Give reasons. So do you think the presence of his mom and Ramnarayan helped him to finishing the race? Give out the reasons. The last question is, you have won the toughest race, the race of your life. What did Ramnarayan mean by this? So these are the words of Ramnarayan, and what is mean by these sentences? So here the 15 questions are there. So you have to read the text and write all the answers and WhatsApp me. So here we finish our first story, the race, and it's the time to wind up our class. I hope all of you understand my class and watch the video. Thank you.